Knedderly, a traditional first course made of bread dumplings. Let's prepare them together. Dice a white onion into small cubes. In a pan, melt the butter and saute the onion. Add the diced speck and toast it. Cut the stale bread into cubes. Place it in a bowl and add the speck along with the butter and onion. Then, add the chopped parsley and milk. Finally, add the eggs and flour. Knead the mixture by hand. When the mixture is smooth, form it into balls and dip them in boiling broth. Cook for 15 minutes and then serve in the hot broth. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.